loss of power, excessive oil consumption, or poor fuel economy are signs it may be time for an engine rebuild of your International Navistar DT466E. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Rebuild your engine with an in-frame rebuild kit for your DT466E from Highway and Heavy Parts. We only provide new, high-quality parts in our International Navistar DT466E in-frame rebuild kits. Each part follows strict OE specifications and tolerances and is built with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting durability. This in-frame kit comes with 6-cylinder kits consisting of liners and crevice seals, low HP pistons, piston pins with retainers, and connecting rod bolts. A main bearing set and connecting rod bearings to keep your engine's crankshaft moving. Gasket sets, pre-organized to save time, include an upper engine gasket set, EGR gasket set, oil pan, and oil suction gasket set. Our gaskets are made from the correct materials to ensure excellent performance in functionality and sealability. Standard main thrust bearings included with this in-frame rebuild kit. Engine break-in is critical. Be sure to follow the proper break-in procedure to avoid engine complications with oil consumption, fuel economy, and engine power. And don't forget to check out Highway and Heavy Parts' wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 2-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.